Hi, I'm doing Paul McWhorter's Pico W lessons, and I'm up to lesson number 116, which was all about controlling a motor connected to a Pico W with PyQt. I'll just show you my program. This is the server on the Pico W, and I'm using Pico 0 because, as you can see, it makes it very, very easy just to control the LED to flash on, you know, that LED there, to flash on and off when it's the server is ready, and also the motor. That's all I'm doing with the motor, just setting the speed and the time. And I'll show you Pico W quickly. Now, it's a jolly long program. It isn't written by some strange third party. It is actually written by the Raspberry Pi peeps, so they ought to know what they're doing. And the documentation for it wasn't very good, so you have to actually look at the Pico W code, not the Pico W, the Pico 0 code to see what it does. So you've got a class called motor, and there's the initializer, and explains everything. But all you really need to know is that you can turn it on, you can turn it off, and the values are from -1 to 1, and you can say how long you want it to be on for, and you can say whether you want your program to wait until it's finished what it's doing. So that is easy peasy. And you've got various pseudonyms like forward. It just means that it's taking the speed like that. Backwards, it's just you're setting the speed to buy the speed. And just in case you can't remember what it's called, start, motor.start is the same as motor.on, motor.stop is the same as motor.off. So that is all there is to it. So there's my program. Get rid of that nastiness. I will make that a little smaller, and here is my client program, which is also very simple, and in fact it's probably better if I demonstrate it rather than do anything like that. Right, would help if you could see the picture, the camera even. That flashed on when we weren't looking. It flashed on, and I will pick that up and I'll start the program running. And there you have it. I wanted to make the go button in the middle and the stop button in the middle, but the more I play with the layout, the worse it looks. So here we go. We've got manual mode with a slider bar, and then you've got parameter mode. So we'll start on manual mode, and you just can move it like that, and it goes like that, and you can move it back, and it goes back like that, and you can stop. Great. And you can carry on doing that to your heart's content. Now, because it branches a bit, I've set a limit. So if it's like 6% or -6%, I just say it's 0, because otherwise it labours and I think it might blow up. Now, as well as manual mode, you have parameter mode. So you can choose that you want to set it going at 66%, and the duration, you can set it so it goes on all the time, or it only goes on for 4 seconds. So we'll try that and press go. And there we have it. It stops after 4 seconds. But you can also, I'll put it to continue so you can tell what it's doing. Right, it's going that way, and it will go on forever. But you can interrupt it with stop, or you can interrupt it by using the manual no button. So that's all there is to it, really. I'll close that. I don't know if anyone's interested in my program. I doubt it. Stop that. Right. I've imported the various bits. I've got updateSpeed, which is driven by the manual slider, which then does the move the motor, which I've put in because I might have a time or I might not. So that is just saying hello. If it's going too slowly, don't bother to move it at all, otherwise it will blow up, or it might blow up. Then nothing else is really interesting. The manual slider is it reacts straight away, and the programmable slider, it just sets the value until you press go. Nothing else interesting at all. No. So I've got main widgets. The only thing that I've used that I hadn't used before is a combo box, where you can choose whether it's continuous up to 5 seconds. I didn't make it more than 5 seconds because we have better things to do with our lives, and well, that's my program.